Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech and Life channel. Today we are tackling a topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in our digital world, the showdown between Google Sheets and Excel Online. Which cloud-based spreadsheet tool is the best to fit your needs? Let's dive in. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly go over what each of these spreadsheets bring to the table. Google Sheets is part of the Google Workspace suite, offering collaboration and accessibility through a web browser. Excel Online, on the other hand, is Microsoft's cloud-based version of Excel, providing many of the familiar desktop features in a web-based environment. When it comes to accessibility and collaboration, one of the key advantages of Google Sheets is the cloud-based nature, allowing you to access your spreadsheets from any device with an internet connection. Plus, the real-time collaboration feature is a game changer for seamless teamwork. Excel Online also embraces the power of the cloud, offering real-time collaboration that syncs with the desktop version of Excel. When it comes to functionality, Google Sheets Online is the best for its simplicity and is providing a range of basic and intermediate features. It allows for excellent choice for those who prefer a straightforward approach to spreadsheet tasks. On the other hand, Excel Online brings many of the powerful features from its desktop counterpart into the cloud. If you are handling complex calculations and data analysis, Excel Online might be the go-to choice. When it comes to integration, Google Sheets Online seamlessly integrates with other Google Workspace apps, creating a cohesive ecosystem for your productivity needs. Automation is achieved through Google Apps Scripts, which is the Google's version of JavaScript. Excel Online, being part of the Microsoft 365 suite, integrates smoothly with other online Microsoft Office apps, ensuring a seamless experience across the entire Office ecosystem. It is a solid choice for those that already invested in the Microsoft environment. Integration is achieved through Visual Basic for applications, which is used to create macros. When it comes to cost, Google Sheet is in advantage here. Google Sheet Online is part of the Google Workspace, and while basic features are free, additional functionality and storage comes with subscription of the Google Workspace. Excel Online is available through the Microsoft 365 subscription, which includes access to the full suite of the Microsoft Office applications. Different plans cater to various needs, offering flexibility for both individuals and businesses. Microsoft also offers the family plan that costs around $10 a month for a maximum of 6 users. When it comes to learning curve, Google Sheets is generally considered more user-friendly and has a simpler interface, easier for beginners to learn and to navigate around. Excel can be more complex, especially for those users unfamiliar with spreadsheet software. It offers a steeper learning curve but provides more advanced features. Conclusion. In the Google Sheets versus Excel Online battle, the right choice depends on your preference and requirements. If you prioritize simplicity, collaboration, and integration with Google Workspace, Google Sheets Online might be your top pick. On the other hand, if you have already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem and need advanced features, Excel Online could be your go-to cloud-based spreadsheet tool. I personally use both at home and at work. Excel is my preferred app for complex tasks, as it is equipped with more sophisticated functions than Google Sheets. Google Sheets is my preferred app for the integration with other online apps because it is designed from day one to be an online tool. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm working on a video about how to create a powerful mobile app using Google Sheets as the database. I hope this comparison will help you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which online spreadsheet tool you prefer and why. Thanks for watching.